for this video, I'm going to show you how to find synonyms and antonyms for your spelling words and how to get that information into your discussion post. So if you're looking at the list of words that are pictured on the assignment page, you'll notice that not all of the words are there. So I went through and left just the words that have synonyms and antonyms so that you could pick from those. So you're going to choose from here, but when I do my example, I'm going to choose my own word so that you have the opportunity to do your own work. Okay, so remember, when you're choosing which words you want to find the synonyms, the similar meanings, and the antonyms, the opposite meanings for, you're choosing from the words that are in this picture that I'm showing you right now. Okay, so when it's time to start doing the assignment, you're going to scroll down and click on the link where it says click here for the dictionary thesaurus. I'm going to do that now. It's going to open up a new page. So when you're ready, you're going to type in your first spelling word. So I'm just going to put my own word into the search box that I'm circling so that you have an example to go off of. I'm going to use the word quiet. It's not a spelling word this week. It's just an example for you all to see how to do this. So after I type in the word, I'm going to click go. Okay, and what's going to show up on the screen is a definition of the word quiet. So it is an adjective, it's a describing word, and that's how I know I'm going to be able to find a synonym and an antonym for the word. Usually nouns don't have synonyms and antonyms. So the definition of quiet is right here, and it means making no sound or noise. It looks like there are two example sentences for the word quiet. The first one, it's italicized. The example sentence says, he was a quiet baby. The other example sentence is, our neighbor's dog barks at night, but ours is usually quiet. So the example sentences are good because they give you the word in context and it helps you understand how you would use that word. Okay, so underneath the definition and the example sentences are where you're going to put your focus for today's assignment. So right here is the word synonyms, and it gives me two synonyms, two words that mean almost the same thing as quiet. All I want you to do is choose one synonym to put into your discussion post. If you want to put more than one synonym, that's completely fine. The same thing for antonyms. So if I go down here, I see the word antonyms. Again, antonym means opposite. So I'm going to choose one of these words that means the opposite of quiet, loud, or noisy, and also put that into my discussion post. So I've got the information I need. I'm going to keep it open to this page in case I forget what's on this page, and then go back to Schoology so I can start typing my information in. So my example word is quiet. I'm going to click in the discussion post box, put a number 1 for my first word, and then I'm going to type the word quiet after the number 1. Once I've done that, I'm going to press the enter or return key so that I can have everything formatted and easy to read. I'm going to type the word synonym, S-Y-N-O-N-Y-M, and then I'm going to put the equal sign to separate the word from what the synonym actually is. So in case I didn't remember what the synonym was for quiet, I could just go back to the dictionary, take a second look where it says synonyms, and I'll type in the word silent in my discussion post for the synonym. So let me go back to Schoology, and I'm going to type silent right here. So I've got my main word quiet, I've got my synonym for the main word, which is silent. Now I'm ready to type in my antonym, which is going to be the opposite meaning of the word quiet. So let me click the return or enter key again to keep everything spaced out and easy to read. Then I'm going to type in the word antonym and separate that word antonym from the actual word that I'm going to put right here after the equal sign. I'm going to go back to the dictionary to find an antonym that I want to include in my post. So loud is one word that means the opposite of quiet. I'm going to choose loud to type into my discussion post. So I'm going to go back to Schoology again and type in the word loud. So I've got my main word. It's got the number 1 next to it so I can keep track. I've got my synonym silent. On the next line, I've got my antonym loud. Now I'm ready for my second word. So I'm going to press the return key another time, type in the number 2, and then I'm going to move on to typing my new word and then go back to the dictionary to get the information about synonym and antonym for my second word. All right, so that's it for this video. I will talk to you later.